Hallo alle zusammen, ich heiße Abhishek und heute lernen wir Geschlecht, that is gender. So in German there are three types of gender, and the gender indicates whether a noun is a masculine, feminine or a neutral, male, female or neutral. So in German there are three genders, that is masculina, male, feminina, female, and the neuter, neutral. So all German nouns have a grammatical gender, that is masculine, feminine, neutral, and the other one is article. So each and every all German nouns carry the article along with the gender. So there are three articles in German languages, that is der, die, das. Der indicates masculina, feminine indicates die, and the das indicates the neuter. So like as der Mann, Mann is masculine, der Mann, masculina. Die Frau, woman is a feminine. Mädchen, a umlaut, this one is a umlaut. Mädchen, girl child, das Mädchen, neuter, girl child. Same as der Hund, dog, this one is masculina, der Hund. Feminine, die Katze, feminine. Das Kamel, that is neuter, das Kamel, neuter. So the article and the gender are the most important parts in German grammar. So each and every German nouns carry three different gender, and the gender carries the articles. Vielen Dank.